Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic Astra, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. Alright, so let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to find theme and personalization. So right here we've got this wallpaper section, so sorry, that was a misclick. Tap on wallpaper, and here we've got pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. And what is interesting here is that here we've got solid wallpapers, so let's say regular ones. We've got also animated options, like for example here, if you can see this, oh sorry, if you can see this this mark right here, you know that the wallpaper is animated like this one. Moreover, at the very top we've got the option inspired wallpapers, which I would say this name is kind of tricky because it suggests that it is, I don't know, created with AI, but it is actually a game. So, for example, we can apply something which is like a Flappy Bird. Here we've got the game in which we are just using the character and jump to find and catch those gems. So some nice options from which we can choose, to be honest. I'll begin with showing you how to apply a regular wallpaper, and after that maybe I'll show you the game. Alright, so to apply a regular wallpaper, we have to simply tap on it and then tap on Set As. Now we can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both. So I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it, and as you can see the wallpaper has been immediately applied, so it's quite easy. Moreover, let's go back. Moreover, if we've got the animated options, like here we've got only two, we can tap on it and tap on Set As, and as you can see you can either set it on the home screen or both, because you cannot set the dynamic wallpaper as the lock screen. Alright, so either set both or home screen, and again it will be immediately applied. It is a really interesting option. And the last one, let's go back to the wallpapers, are inspired wallpapers, so let me tap on it, and all you have to do is to simply tap on the game that you'd like to apply. Here you can check it, so you can decide whether you like it or not. So just tap on start, and now you can simply play this game, and if you'll decide that you would like to apply it, all you have to do is to tap on apply, obviously. So just tap on apply, and obviously, and here you've got the tip that the game includes long pressing and clicking, etc. So just tap on apply, and as you can see we've got our wallpaper applied to the home screen. We can also check the lock screen if you want to. However, the lock screen is still it is not the same as the home screen, so you can only apply the game on the home screen. The lock screen is completely different. So to be honest, also I highly recommend to simply remove the icons or kind of reorder them in order to have the place to actually tap on the screen and play. Of course, it won't work until you will tap on start. So you can normally use the home screen with the game applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.